In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to store string variables in arrays of pointers. Go ahead and learn how to store string variables, because in the previous lecture we've learned how to store integer variables in arrays of pointers. So we start by creating a variable of char, and I'm going to call that char details. And because of this pointer, I'm going to only put asterisk right here. And it seems this is too big. Let me make that to be, alright, so that is okay. And impute this right there, the sign of an array, and then whenever we talk about string or char, we go ahead and use quotation mark, either single or double. So go ahead and use double. And the first one is hello, and put a comma, and the next one is, let's call that to be educate, put a comma, and next one, let's add Peter, put a comma, and next one, let's add Steve, and let's go ahead and add just one more, and let this be Paul. Alright, so go ahead and put a semicolon at the end of these, and you go ahead and initialize variable x. Let's initialize the variable x, and let's assign that to be equal to 0, and put a semicolon at the end. So at this moment, we've been able to declare this variable of pointers, and the arrays of pointers, we call that arrays of pointers of string variables, and we also initialize integer variable of x, and we assign 0 to that. So now we're going to create a for loop, so I can be able to print out the stored values from these arrays of pointers, and let x be equal to 0 plus semicolon and x less than 5, because we have 5 of these right there, and plus semicolon, and let x increment, and then we go ahead and print out the values. So I'm going to say print f, say the name, okay, the name of detail. So the name of details, percentage d. So this we have also to get the index of what we are talking about. The index, the first index is going to be 0, and for us to print out a string, you go ahead and say percentage s for the string, and if you want to print out a char or a character, you use percentage c. So go ahead and put let this move to the next line, put a comma right there, and then include your x and details, and inside the value of x right inside the details, because that is an array, and plus semicolon at the end. So that is all we need at the moment, and I believe everything being equal, go ahead and run this code and check that out. So the name of details 0 of index 0 is hello, and check it out, the name of details 1 is educate, and name of details 2 is Peter, Steve, and Paul respectively. So I hope that is what we have. You can see how we're able to print RTs with just simple code. It came using arrays of pointers, you can see that that is really very interesting, and you go ahead and put that down on your own system and check it out. And make sure you have something similar and something good like mine. And in case if you have any question under this video lecture, please try to use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.